Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q3 and I'm going to replace this grab handle on the driver's side with this sunglasses compartment, and hopefully it will be easy. All you need to do is to use some kind of hook and pull on those two covers over here, which are actually a locking a part of a locking mechanism, and once those two are removed you can just wiggle this out, and shortly after I will try to install this, and I think that the color is matching. You can buy one of those on AliExpress. There will be a link in the description below this video. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, and it's done. You can take your sunglasses and keep them over here. That's it for today. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, subscribe for future ones, and see you soon.